This is for, it says, Levi, Colton, and Bristol. Bristol, are you going to come help us? You going to come help us? You going to come help us?
In here.
I don't know. It's a surprise. What do you think it could be?
I can't try.
A kind of surprise?
Yes.
I don't know. It's a surprise. All right, here comes Bristol. Come here, Bristol. Come help us. Come help us. Why don't you stand on this side? All right, here we go. Oh, this is so exciting. This is so exciting. Whoops. Okay, look out for your fingers. Okay, be a little more patient, Bristol. We're almost ready. Stay here. Stay here. Oh, goodness. Oh, my goodness. There we go.
There you go.
There we go. Oh, my. They sealed this really good, didn't they? There, did a good job. Okay, here we go.
Open it.
Oh, my goodness.
They seal this. Yeah.
Really good. All right. What do you think it could be? Wow.
What is in here?
I don't know. What do you think it could be?
Wow.
Wow. What do you think it is? Stand over a little closer to Bristol here. Oh, Bristol, you're so strong. All right, what is it? Oh, wow. Do you recognize what these are?
What are they?
Remember the blocks that you played with at Grandma's? Oh my goodness. Here we go. Wow. Okay, no place. Look at all these. Wow.
What's in here?
Wow, it turns.
What's in here?
It's like a, looks kind of like a wheel. Oh my goodness, look at this big one.
Wow!
Like a big tower. Oh my goodness, what are you going to build with all these? Oh cow, there's a ton of them in here. I can't believe how many there are.
What's in here?
I bet there's more.
What's this is a big.
Oh,
Whoa!
wow.
This is big. What is that?
Big. That must be a base.
Whoa!
Oh, 2 bases.
Two bases. What's it go under here? What's in here? What's under here?
Oh,
What's in here?
more. Wow.
Look at these!
Look at these little guys. Wow. Wow, I wonder what to do with these. Oh, they attach, I bet.
What
We'll have
is
to
this
look.
guy? What is this guy? What is going on here? What is
I
it?
don't know. We'll have to look it up. I bet you Aunt Petra will know how these work. I'll have to ask her. These are really cool. Oh, here maybe. Attach. Oh, I don't know. Pretty exciting. Look at these spins. Did you get them on here? Look at. Oh yeah, you did it already. Look at. You hold it like this and it kind of spins. Wow. Can you look in the camera and say thank you?
Thank you!
Say, Colton, can you say thank you?
Thank you!
Good job.
Look, this one spins.
All right. Let's go to play a little bit while I work on supper.
But can I open that one?